Alright, good day and welcome once again to my channel, All Things Simple. Today I want to discuss a very interesting topic, another topic of which I believe you will learn a lot from. Today's topic is titled, How You Can Download and Install Free Softwares on your PC or on your desktop or laptop using your mobile phone. How you can use your mobile phone to download softwares that are meant for system, for PC and desktop. For example, Firefox, Chrome, Microsoft Office, Adobe Reader, CorelDRAW, and a host of them like that. VLC, the one that's made for system. How can you download them using your mobile phone for free? Download and install. So now, if you check the screen here, without wasting much time, I've listed like five websites that offers you the opportunity to download these softwares for free using your mobile phone. Number one here on the screen is GetintoPC. The second one is SourceForge. The third you see on the screen is Softpedia. And then the next is FileHippo. And the last one here is Major Geeks. So these five websites, there are other websites, most of them actually, that you can use. But these five are very good and okay for you to use. So all you just need to do is to go on. All you need to do is to go on either of them and go on the search bar on the website, search for the software you want, and make sure you follow the instructions that are there for you to download it and install on your system, and everything will go on fine. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using or dwelling on GetintoPC. So we will use using GetintoPC as demonstration for how you can download and install, or let me say download these softwares and thereafter installing it on your PC or your desktop. So follow me. Now go over to your Chrome browser. Tap on your Chrome browser on your mobile phone and then type in on the search bar GetintoPC. You can see it is already on my search list on my phone because I've already searched it before. So you do the same thing, just type GetintoPC on the search bar, GetintoPC, and then tap on go to search. You can see the results of the search. You can see on your screen. When you tap on GetintoPC and enter into the site, it's a site that offers you opportunity to download different kinds of softwares for your desktop. So you want to download Microsoft Word, Excel, Adobe Reader, whatever. You want to download VLC, like I want to do now, for example. All you need to do is to go over to the search bar on the website. Let me show us the search bar here. That's the search bar. So when you get into that place, you type in the software that you want to download. So for us, we want to download VLC. So I type in VLC and tap on go. I tap on go. You can see go written here. Go. So when I tap on go, it loads up and brings up results of my search. So wait for a moment and let it come up. It says you search for VLC. You can see now the results that came out. 2 results came out for our search. For the purpose of this video, I want to select the option number 1. You can see it there on your screen. VLC Media Player 3.0.0 plus portable download. So I tap on it. It loads up for me, and then you can see I go over straight to where I can now download it. But before I go there, look at the features, because you may want to also look at the features before you download, whether your system can be able to carry the software that you want to download. So there are requirements. So check your own system, then just oppose it with what you see on your screen or when you're doing your own. You can see this is VLC Media Player 3.0 technical setup details. So check your own laptop or your own system and see if it correlates, if your software you want to download can be able to be installed on your system. So when you have established that, you go over straight up to download the software. You can see other requirements, the system requirements for VLC Media Player 3.00. So before you start VLC Media Player free download, make sure your PC meets minimum system requirements. You can see it written here. See there. So once you are doing yours, take time to read all of those and be sure of what you are doing. So now I go over to click on the download button. But before I do that, I'd like you to see something else. You can see it says password 123. So take note of that password 123, so that when you want to extract the file, because there's a process after you have downloaded the document, you have to extract the file. It's because it's a zip file, so you have to extract it before you can now be able to install it on your system. If not, if you just download like that and go and install on your system, it will not work. You have to first of all extract the file. When you are extracting the file, that's when this password will be required of you. 123. So now I click on download. So when I click on download, it loads up for me. So wait for it. Okay, your requested file is on the way, so wait for it to load, before it starts downloading. So now it has started downloading. See there, it says downloading file. So let's go over to check and see, the downloading process that is going on. So you can see now it's downloading. You can see the amount of data that's required to download it. So you see now it's going on. So you wait for it to finish downloading. Good. So now the file has finished downloading. So then when I'm done with that, I go over to the app I will be using to unzip the file that I have downloaded. So you too, if you do not have this app that I want to use to unzip the file, it's called Zip Extractor. You can see it here. Zip Extractor. That's the app that I'll be using to unzip the file. So if you don't have it, you go over to your Google Play Store or whatever app store that you use and download Zip Extractor or any other zip extractor app that you like. But for me, I'm using Zip Extractor, as you can see there. So I tap on it, it opens up for me, and then I go over to tap on download. You can see there the most recent file is just at the top there. It says GetintoPC.com VLC blah blah blah. So I tap on it, and then you see down it says for me to input the password. Remember I told us something like this earlier. So now I tap on it, I put in the password 123, and then I click on OK. And then next thing is for me to click on extract. And then I give the file a name, VLC. And then I tap on extract. Before then, let me re-input the password. I tap on extract. So now it's done. It says congratulations friends, you've completely extracted your file. So let me see. It says open file here. So yeah, VLC. If you look very well, you see other files that I've downloaded, other softwares that I've downloaded and also unzipped. There's Office, Microsoft Word Office, there's Adobe that I've also downloaded, there's Marvis teaching, Marvis Bacon teaches typing, VLC. So let's go back. We are done with this. So when you are done with the downloading and the extracting of the file, take note to also go and locate where the extracted file has been saved in your phone. So now I go straight into my internal storage. You can see now it has its own folder, right? Okay, under zip extractor, extracted, VLC. This is it. So with this, you can now go over to your system, your laptop, your desktop, whatever, carry your cord, your USB cord or whatever cord you are using, connect it to your system, and then you copy or move the file into your system, and from then on you can go forward to install the file in your system. All you just need to do after that point is to follow the instruction. When it says click on this, you click on it, read the instruction and follow it through and through, and before you know it, the software has been downloaded, installed on your system. Simple and easy. So thank you very much for watching to the end. And please do well to subscribe to my channel.